Good morning, good morning. We're out here in Pink and Green Acres. We like to give you an update. The weather has given us a few challenges because the heat is so disrespectful right now. But this is my Better Boy tomato bush, and it's doing really well. Had to do some pruning, took some of the dead leaves off, and I'm also learning about what's called shooters. If you've got shooters, sort of like this one, that don't have any blooms on it, you want to trim those off. Just clip them right here because it takes away from the energy um, for the plant. A little piece of something right there. Here we got our cukes coming in, and looks like this plant went a little bit wild, but as you can see, we've got one cucumber here, another one there, another one there. So they're getting ready to show out. And this is another cucumber plant. Oh, look at the little baby. Here, my little baby. So we should have a good crop of cucumbers. Likewise with this tomato plant, I trimmed a lot at the bottom so that I can get a lot more cherry tomatoes. You can see those blooms. So I'm hoping for continuous growth all summer. Now we're going to come over here to our big area. As you can see, we just put this fence back up because Bambi has been so disrespectful. Bambi ate our zucchini. I think Bambi ate our squash. Bambi even ate the chili pepper. So that was very disappointing. Bambi went over here to the big tomato plant, and just for context, she ate all the tops, all the flowers. So I'm not sure if we're going to get a yield from this tomato plant, but I feel like since Bambi ate chili pepper, I hope it burned her mouth or whatever. But we now have this fence up, so we had a net over it, but obviously she was able to make it through that. I've got a purple bell pepper coming up, regular bell pepper, and a spicy Cajun bell pepper. That's the name of it. We're going to see what happens with those because they're still holding strong. And then, of course, in Pepper Paradise, we've got my Grand Marconis. I may need to pull that one, but they grow so large and are so good when you roast them and cook with them. My habanero are coming in slow. I've got a poblano back here coming in, and lots of blooms on here, so we'll see. And this is a little jalapeno pepper. It's supposed to be a jalapeno with no heat. And then we got the serrano coming in slow. I just put some plant food on it, so we shall see. But those are our chronicles for today as we continue on our gardening journey. Ciao.